Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. The square root represent about 1 over 2. So we can put this one outside and we have 3 over 2 because 1 over 2 multiplied by number 3, you got about 3 over 2. Later that, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I need to put about u equals to x plus 1. Later that, we do first derivative for the both sides, and you got about the u equals to the x. So this one we change by u, the x we change by the u. So we have u to the power of negative number 3 over 2. Because if we put this one go to numerator, the power should have about the negative side. So we have negative number 3 over 2 plus 1 over negative number 3 over 2 plus 1, and we put about c. So we have negative 1 over 2 about u, that is about this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.